We are at the world famous Flora-Bama. We're going to jump into the polar bear dip here in just a couple of minutes. We're going to run and jump into the Gulf of Mexico. So come with us. You're jumping in too.
Happy New Year. This is such a beautiful day. How about this? Sunshine and 75. We ordered the dolphins to come at 11:55. So we hired them. They're going to swim right out front. Have your cameras ready, please. Well, Happy New Year. Everybody have a good time at Bama last night, too? We're going to hear from the owners of the Flora-Bama. He's a good man, and I'm so proud to be here and work with him. Cam Price.
Hey, y'all. Welcome to the world famous Flora-Bama. How about this weather out there today? Hey, I just want to remind everybody as we go into 2024, we jump into the Gulf of Mexico and wash away the sins of 2023. Remember to hug on all your loved ones out there, all your mom and dad, your brothers and sisters, your kids, your extended family, your friends, and they'll all never know how much longer we'll be around or how much longer they'll be around. So make sure you take the time to love on them. And while you're out here at Polar Bear Dip, make sure you meet some new friends. We got about 3,000 people out here, looks like. Y'all give yourself a hand for getting up early and being out here and jumping in the Gulf of Mexico. I want to introduce another one of our owners, Pat McClellan. He's been here for quite a few years. I can't even remember how that's been like. I don't know. I think that Flora-Bama was like 60 years old. I think he's been around 80 of it. This is the wonderful Pat McClellan.
Yeah, I think, and by the way, this is the 40th annual. I try to explain to my wife, you get an extra year on the first year. This is the first annual. Like you're born with 1 year already, right? This is the 40th annual. I think I started this when I was 18, back in whenever that was, 1965. Bob, whoever he is, and I started this on a bet on Pensacola Beach, by the way. That's how it started. But listen, one of the things I want to mention to everybody is this, when I asked how the year was, I said, if we come out of the water on New Year's Day, it's been a wonderful year. Whatever happened, forget it. You made it for another year, guys. But there's some people that didn't, and there's still a lot of people warned. So I think the best I can do is, for this crowd of people here, we're going to spread a little peace and affection. You can give everybody hugs now. Don't forget, 4 hugs for survival, 4 for maintenance, and 4 more for growth. You get your 12 hugs a day, and maybe a little bit longer, and maybe we'll have peace in the world. So keep that message in mind. You all have a wonderful day. We're going to have cake. If you're soaking wet coming out, we actually, not my idea, have got a birthday cake upstairs somewhere, and maybe ice cream if you find me. Okay. Happy New Year.
Give it up. That's Pat McClellan, y'all. Good man. This place is still around and happening because of these wonderful owners that we have at Flora-Bama. So it is the 40th anniversary. We have cake for the polar bear. So I mentioned the beer tents, but Rachel Chandler, events court manager, really, she does it all. She's responsible for this. If you have any complaints, just line up right here. No, she's going to tell you what's up the rest of the day.
Please don't line up right here. All right, guys, so once you go into the water at noon, we have 2 opportunities to get beer. We have a yellow tent over here by the truck. You can get your tickets at that location. You can also get your drink and food tickets on the boardwalk as well. Keep an eye out for the folks with the orange and pink tickets. That's how you get your beer. That's how you get your food. You must be wet from top to toe. We'll get started here shortly. I think we're going to sing happy birthday to a bear.
Is that cake ready to go? Everybody ready to sing happy birthday to so is it happy birthday dear polar bear? Is that how it goes? Is that right? Okay. And then afterwards we're going to have the abominable snowman and the panda bear face off here for a cage match. Big step. Say happy birthday polar bear. Yes.
Happy birthday, polar bear!
Are y'all ready? We're going to sing it together. Everybody know the words? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear polar bear. Happy birthday to you.
And many more!
We weren't expecting this many people, or we would have got a bigger cake. Everyone's going to get a sliver. We're going to share a little piece. What? No, there's a ton of cakes. There's a bunch inside to us. What are we on time? We are 15 minutes. We're going to jam a little bit for music. We'll be back in just a few. And who's getting in the water today? Who's getting in the water? Y'all ready?
Yeah! I have a problem.
Dive Bar Cafe, it's a special edition on a Monday on New Year's Day. Happy New Year. I guess
Marry
everybody
me.
got the memo about going in.
Here we go. We're going in. Oh, that's cold. Go Michigan. Woo! Oh, that's cool. Woo!
I can taste salt.
All right, we have jumped into the Gulf of Mexico at 12 o'clock here at the Flora-Bama 40th Annual Polar Bear Dip, and now we are out. We have our coupons for food. Kids are off changing clothes because they're wimps. I'm more interested in the food that we got right here in front of us, so I'm going to dive into this New Year's meal that we get for free for fully submerging into the Gulf of Mexico, and then I'll think about changing. Check this out.